Hi, I'm Jonelle, and today I'm down at the Naples waterfront for another adventure in paradise. Fall has come. It's a beautiful time of the year. The locals love it this time of the year. The temperature drops just a little bit, but one of the main reasons locals and visitors really love it here in the fall is that October is the start of stone crab season.
And that means early days and late nights for Southwest Florida's stone crab fishermen, a hardy breed that loves their work.
For the most part, your adrenaline's always going, and you know, you're usually always having a smile on your face.
Yes, exactly. That is my favorite part, when he comes home with a smile on his face.
And the stone crabs on the plate.
Yeah, that is a definite.
From dawn to dusk, Rick and Katie Matthews harvest crabs from over 1,000 traps they put in the water just a week prior.
It's unlike any other business I've ever been in. You know, you get away from everybody on the shore. It's a recyclable industry is what it is. You can break off the crab's claws and he can still survive and grow back new ones. And you know, he just constantly keeps reproducing. And no matter how many traps you put in the water, you know, there's only going to be a certain amount of crabs that are caught, and then they're all thrown back, and then you just got to, you know, give it time for them to grow back their claws, and then you just go back and do it again. This one's going to be a really, really good one. This one's full. That's a really good day at the office.
There are many enthusiastic stone crab fans as Katie and Rick bring the harvest back to the dock at Kelly's Fish House Dining Room on the Gordon River. When they can bring back several hundred pounds of fresh claws to the dock, it's a successful day for the fishermen, and no one goes away hungry.
I'm marking my crabs, that way everybody knows which crabs are mine. $1.95.
Crab fishermen get paid by the pound. They watch their catch as it makes its way through the cooking process. The crab claws are boiled for exactly 8 minutes. And then dumped into an ice bath for 10 minutes more to make sure the meat doesn't stick to the shell. Once they're cooked and cooled, the bright orange and black color emerges on the claws. Some people think they look like parrot beaks. The taste, however, is all crab, sweet and delicious. Just a few hours after they're harvested, these fresh claws are on dinner plates. And this is what everyone's been waiting for. It happens every day and every night during the annual stone crab season between October and May.
Bon appetit!
We came here especially for stone crab season.
Look at that. See that? Now that. And a little of that. Beautiful.
I'm dripping, it's so good, it's delicious.